Okay, so in this video, we are going to do a sound comparison. It's kind of like a before and after scene. January of 2014 was the day I brought the... Well, it wasn't necessarily the day I brought the car home, but it's when the car was parked in the driveway at some point. During that time, it had the white wall tires, and all of them were flat. And it had very bad mufflers. It also had an oil leak and coolant leak. So in January 2014, the car sounded like this. Now I'm going to start it up and we're going to hear how it sounds. And you're going to notice a big difference. And you're going to also notice that all the exhaust won't be underneath the car. It will actually be going out the tailpipes instead. So, time for an old start, cold start. Very quiet from before. You can see the new mufflers there. Yeah, there's a slight lisp to it, but other than that, it's sure as hell better than it was before. Let's hear how she sounds. Sure as hell better than before. Last time it sounded like a bag of crap.